Who's out here having dinner? Who could it be? Whose toes are those? Who's that great ape right there? Sugriva. Is it dinner time? Is it dinner time? Oh, I think it is. I think it is. Oh, yeah. What a big song. Sugriva's got lots to say. He's out here cooking himself up a vegan hot dog. Sugriva will be live tomorrow night on his Chimp Dinner Live that'll happen at 8 p.m. on Sunday. He's just telling you all about it. Something you just have to see. He's just having himself a hot dog, and then he'll have some s'mores on the night safari out here. He's got friends hanging out here with him, looking around at everybody, playing.